Today, I'm still not feeling well again. I don't know why, but as you can tell in my voice, I can't. I'm not. I'm not doing so good. Right, right here a lot of coughing, but I'm sorry. I haven't uploaded videos because I'm feeling very ill, and so yeah. Yeah. Uh, oh man. Oh dear. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh man. I feel terrible. I'm sorry guys, but I feel so ill. You might not know why I'm like this. It's because I still have the bad cough and colds again. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh god. Oh man. Oh. Oh god, I feel terrible. Just like what happened last time. You guys must be wondering what happened on September the 28th, where I got ill and sick. This is what's happening this time. Oh great, now it's raining. Hopefully I'll get better soon enough. Oh. I feel terrible right now because I haven't even uploaded this much because I feel very ill, sick, throat hurts and everything. Oh dear. So yeah, until next time. Bye.